Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Okay, I didn't see this coming from a mile away. Not only did the price action almost perfectly follow my yellow projection from yesterday's video, right into the blue horizontal level, but it also front-ran a fake out. When the price reversed at the blue 107.6K level, it bounced fast toward the next horizontal at 108.3K. At that point I thought, perfect foresight, great line placement. But then came the dump, and this one was heavy. The rejection at 107.6K was so strong, not even the next lower yellow horizontal at 106.4K could hold the price. It briefly ranged around 106K before a yellow cross appeared, signaling sudden selling volume and downside price manipulation. The next logical target became the red horizontal at 104.9K, and that's exactly where we landed. The price is now ranging around 104.5K, with the lowest wick touching the dotted yellow line around 104.2K. To recap, today's dump wiped out the entire recovery from last week, dating back to June 7th. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we saw that yesterday's hottest level was 107.8K, an area that had to be cleared. And we did go up all the way to 108.3K, but once there, the heat shifted to the upside. The hottest cluster moved to 111K. That shows how many late high-leverage shorts were stacked above. And it turns out they were right, because once longs started building around 105.5K, they got wiped out. Today the bears clearly won, but let's not forget, we're still in a bull market. That matters. Zooming into the 1-day liquidation heat map, we now see the hottest area is above us at 108.4K, stretching all the way up to 109.4K. In my view, the market had to throw up completely from the roller coaster up and down before it can move higher again. It was an emotional flush. Total liquidations in the last 24 hours, brutal. It is clearly position hunting from market makers and exchanges right now. $726.2 million in total. From that, longs took $663.17 million in losses, while shorts only lost $63 million. A complete liquidation bloodbath for the bulls. Despite this brutal move, the ETF inflows aren't slowing down. On June 11th, the total inflow hit 164.6 million. That's 3.47 times the daily fresh supply of Bitcoin, a huge demand signal even during these ugly down days. I'm still holding my trades from 108K. This time, I didn't set a stop loss. I didn't want to get wicked out again like last time. We'll see how this plays out in the next few sessions. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.